Welcome back, everyone, and if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button because today we are diving deep into one of the most talked about AI platforms of 2025. This is your ultimate beginner's guide to Poe AI, the all-in-one tool that's changing how we interact with artificial intelligence. We'll be exploring everything directly from the official source at poe.com to give you the most accurate and up-to-date review. Poe is fundamentally a platform that allows you to query multiple AI models, including those from leading AI companies, all in a single place. It provides direct access to a wide range of AI chatbots, each with unique capabilities, so you can choose the right one for your specific task, whether it's writing, coding, creating images, or just finding information. One of the biggest strengths of Poe is its incredible variety and accessibility. You can start a conversation with a state-of-the-art model like Claude 3 Opus for complex reasoning, and then instantly switch to an image generator like Stable Diffusion XL to create a visual based on your idea, all within the same interface. The Explore page is a hub of discovery where you can browse thousands of user-created bots designed for specific purposes, from travel planning and coding help to interactive role-playing characters. For beginners, the simplicity is a major plus. You don't need to have accounts with all these different AI companies. Poe handles it all, letting you compare answers from different AIs side by side to get the best possible result. However, it's crucial to discuss the limitations directly from the site. Access to some of the most advanced models like GPT-4 and Claude 3 Opus may be subject to message limits unless you have a subscription. The platform is clear that while it provides access to these models, it is a separate service from the model providers like OpenAI or Anthropic, meaning some unique features of the native platforms might not be available here. The quality of interaction with any community bot can vary greatly depending on how well it was crafted by its creator. Furthermore, Poe is designed for text and image interaction and does not support other media types like video or audio generation within its chats. There are several subscription tiers for Poe AI, all billed yearly with a 17% discount. The plans are based on a monthly point system, starting from 10,000 points per day for the 4 and 17 per month tier, which is $49.99 billed annually. The options scale up significantly, offering 1 million points for $199, 2.5 million for $499 PIRA, 5 million for $999 PIRA, and a top tier of 12.5 million points per month for $2,499 PIRA. Goodbye everyone, and see you later.